Welcome to PDFRun. In this video, we'll guide you on how to fill out Form 1099-G. Form 1099-G, also known as Certain Government Payments, by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, is used by federal, state, or local governments if they paid at least $10 of unemployment compensation, at least $10 of state or local income tax refunds, credits, or offsets. Reemployment Trade Adjustment Assistance, RTAA, payments, taxable grants, or agricultural payments. To begin filling out this document, click on the Fill Online button. This will redirect you to PDFRun's online editor. Before starting, please take note that this form has to be filled out in 5 separate copies. Copy A, for the IRS. Copy 1 for the State Tax Department. Copy B, for the recipient. Copy 2 to be filed with recipient's income tax return. And copy C, for the filer. First, for the payer, enter the following details: the full legal name, the full address, including the street, city or town, state or province, and zip or foreign postal code, phone number, and the tax identification number, TIN. For the recipient, enter the following details: the TIN, followed by the recipient's name, street address, city or town, state or province, and the zip or foreign postal code. On this box, enter the account number. This is required if you have multiple accounts for a recipient, whom you are filing more than one Form 1099-G. For this box, which can only be found on copies A and C, please mark it, if you were notified by the IRS twice, within 3 calendar years, that the taxpayer provided an incorrect TIN. Otherwise, you may leave it blank. For Box 1, enter the unemployment compensation paid to the recipient, including Railroad Retirement Board payments for unemployment. If unemployment compensation is paid from various contributory programs, a separate Form 1099-G must be filed for each payment. Please take note to only enter the total amount before any income tax was withheld. For Box 2, enter the credits, offsets, or state or local income tax, of $10 or above, made to the recipient. Do not include payments such as incentives, subsidies, and other individual assistance programs. For Box 3, enter the tax year when the payment in Box 2 was made. Do not enter anything if the refund, credit, or offset in Box 2 is for the previous tax year. For Box 4, enter the federal income tax withheld upon the request of the recipient. For Box 5, enter the amount of RTAA payments of $600 or more that was made to the recipient. For Box 6, enter the amount of any taxable grants of $600 or more that was administered. Do not include scholarship or fellowship grants. For Box 7, enter the amount of the recipient's taxable Department of Agriculture, USDA, agricultural subsidy payments. For Box 8, mark the box if the amount entered in Box 2 is trade or business income. Otherwise, leave it blank. For Box 9, enter the amount of the market gain associated with the repayment of a Commodity Credit Corporation loan, whether repaid using cash or CCC certificates. Please take note that boxes 10A, 10B, and 11 can only be filled out if you participate in the combined federal or state filing program, and if you are required to file paper copies of Form 1099-G with a state tax department. For Box 10A, enter the state. For Box 10B, enter the state identification number. And lastly, for Box 11, enter the amount of any state income tax withheld. Review and double-check if all entered information is correct and accurate. Once finished, click on the Done button to save, download, and print Form 1099-G. To learn more about this form or find other fillable templates, visit www.pdfrun.com.